So most of you are facing issue in this lab. So first of all, click on Start Lab. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Now, first thing we have to just do one thing that first of all, we have to copy the ID URL. So just copy it over here and paste on a new tab and wait for it to get started. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Also, if you want to enable the yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. Now, first thing what we need to do, we have to clone the repository. So from here, you can see source control. Click on it. If it is not showing, wait for some time and just click on clone repository. Now for the URL, here is the URL from number 3, copy it, paste over here and simply hit enter. Now once you hit enter, it will just select the directory itself. So you have to just click on OK. You don't have to click on anywhere else. Now wait for a few seconds and just click on open. It will reload the page. Now after that, you may see this kind of pop-up. Just click on trust the author and just I trust the author. Once you have all these things have been done, just click on clone the repository. Now what we need to do, we have to just do one thing. Come over here, file, terminal, new terminal. Now please pay attention to each and every steps. Now from here, you have to just copy this command. Okay, just copy it. And if you try to paste directly using Control V, you won't be able to paste it. Just do one thing, right click over here and just allow the clipboard. And then just hit enter. So now, once you get the output, just check the score. So you can see we have got the score very easily. See, it may take some time for the checks to get verified and scores to be generated. So you can wait for some more time. Now, what you need to do, we have to just come over here, right click, hit enter. We are just changing the directory to voting-demo version 2. Now just run it. We are just setting the region. And after that, we'll be just deploying the source application. Hit enter. I'm using right click to copy, not control C and V. Okay. So this thing you need to understand. And the first thing we have to just deploy the app. Now app deployment will take some time. So wait for it. This may take at least 2 to 3 minutes. So you need to wait for it to get completed. Here it's showing done. Let's come back to the lab instruction and see whether it's working or not. So it's still taking time. So just wait for it to get completed. After that, we'll check the score. Now here you can see the app is successfully deployed. Now just come to the lab instruction and simply try to check the score. So you can see we have got the score and this is the way we completed the lab. Okay, so some of the apps of tasks are working. So what we need to do, we need to first of all search for the URL. So let me just search for the URL. It's working over here. So for the URL, what we need to do, we need to come to the task number 1. From here, just copy it and just click on this file, terminal, new terminal, right click, hit enter, and here is our IP. So you have to just copy it, paste over here. How will copy it? Just drag your mouse cursor and Control C, or you can just do one thing, Control button and press on this URL. Okay, it will just open it. Now from here, just copy it, paste over here, come back to the lab instructions directly, and you can just add the HTTPS also, or you can just click on the link directly too. So let's click on it directly and see what happens next. Just keep hitting this multiple times, and after that, just try to check the score. So we got the score, now we have to delete it. So for deleting again, wait a second, by mistake I pressed Control C also. Right click, hit enter. It's not showing over here because it's present in scaffold terminal. So we have to come over here, use Control C to exit the status, right click, Hit enter. Now it will start to delete. So you can see it's deleting and all things are been successfully done. Now you can see our task is successfully completed. It will take some time. Wait for few more moments. To verify, just right click, hit enter. It's still deleting, so wait for some more time. So finally it is done, and that's the way we completed the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.